Question 4. Okay, 3x brackets x plus 12 is always equivalent to, okay, that's an identity. 3 lines. It looks sort of a little bit weird to look at if you're not used to seeing it. It means it's an identity, which means that they're true for any values, always true. So just not to be too worried and concerned about that. It operates in the same way as an equal sign would operate, so we can treat it as such for the purposes of the question. Work out the possible values of c. So I have I've got this here, so I'm going to just rewrite it. 3x x plus 12 is going to help with my working. Always equal to 3x squared plus c squared x. Okay, so in order to kind of make it match up as much as possible, I'm going to expand these brackets, this bracket out. So that gives me 3x squared plus 36, 12 times by 3x is 36 lots of x, equals 3x squared plus c squared x. Now, if you look, these expressions are, it's always equal to, okay, the identity. These expressions are the same, except if I took 3x squared away from both sides, that would get rid of that altogether. I can sort of ignore that because they're the same on both sides. So just to be clear, if I took that away, that would leave me with 36x equals c squared x. And if I divided both sides by x, I mean, this is a bit of a complicated way of sort of showing this, something which is probably evident to you. But if I divided by x both sides, yeah, so I had here 36x, is always equal to c squared x, and then I divided by x, I would be left with 36 equals c squared. And if 36 is c squared, c can take two possible values. It tells me values there, so don't miss one mark. So what multiplies together? So if I take the square root, I get c is equal to 6 or minus 6. So that's my answer. 6 or minus 6.